Hey, where you going? Cardi, where you going? You about to eat? Mashed potatoes? Oh, what's up, y'all? Hello, mashed potatoes, I say, huh? What did you say?
Mashed potatoes are the worst.
Mashed potatoes. Hello. So, what you want to say, Cardi?
Nothing. Now give me a
No. No. Look at the proud uncle. What's that? Don't do that. And the proud aunt. Hey, Tiffany. What's that? The proud aunt. Excuse that jerk Richard, though. All right. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. No spit bubbles on the show. All right. All right. So, anyway, back to Malia. Y'all haven't seen her since the birthday party. Don't she look like her mama?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, beautiful.
I totally do.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Sound like her.
Of course you don't sound like her, but I'm telling you, she watching the show right now. She gonna watch the show.
No, she isn't.
Yes, she will.
She don't know about your show.
Yes, she do.
No, she doesn't.
She been on the show?
No.
Yes, she has.
No, she hasn't.
Yes, she has.
No, she hasn't.
I'm telling you, I'm not lying.
I'm just making her.
Huh? Yeah, she was on the last Christmas show, the 2016 Christmas show. I'm serious. She don't remember. She said she was a baby. Malia was a baby at the time. She don't remember. All right.
Did you ever ask her?
Yeah, sometimes. I'm positive. She said she was on the Mardi Gras show.
Pretty positive.
Not that positive.
Well, I'm testing you.
Testing me out. She just acting up. Oh well, I'll be right with you. So let's go see the birthday boy once again, and a proud mom and a proud father and stuff and people like that. Hey, Miss Bobby. Hey, Miss Bobby, how you doing? You on the show? Oh, you don't want to be on the show. All right. All right. All right. All right. So oh, hello. That was Deborah, y'all. Okay. Oh, look who's here. What's up, Erica? Hey, Jude. Jude. I'm right here. Yeah, this is Jude, y'all. She.
They will come get line. They want to know.
Huh? If I keep cutting up, you gonna punch my lights out, huh? Yeah, I'm recording. You gotta say it like that. Yo, punch my lights out, huh? All right. Yeah, she said that when I was a teen. She said she'll punch my lights out, right? It's Domino while we're recording. Okay, so everybody's here, got something to eat, and you on the show, Joe. You gotta watch your mouth. On the show, I'm recording. All right, so. All right. All right. All right. So this is a celebration. Everybody gonna remember, you know, especially folks. He probably inside. I don't think he want to be recorded right now. So we got the proud father right here. We got the proud mom, the proud uncle, and the proud cousins. And I'm a proud cousin too, you know. So you see, y'all, being a proud cousin and being happy all the time, it's real awesome, you know. So when you have fun with the family and stuff like that. All right. Oh, hey, Riley. All right. And we got Tusi right here. Hey.
Hey, how you
You on the show?
I'm on the show.
All right. All right. So, oh, y'all haven't seen this guy in a while. Since I guess it's the Christmas. No, not the Christmas show. Oh yeah. All right, you're on the show. Yeah. Yeah. You know, honestly, I wish your brother Malcolm was still alive. He would have been on the show.
I wish he was too, but I got him with me right here.
All right. Yeah, because it's a shame for me to say this, but he looked like Mace to me. Because when Mace came back in the rap game, that's when I saw him again. That's when I saw Malcolm again. When he quit, I haven't saw Malcolm no more after that. Oh, there go the birthday boy.
I'm gonna juice too.
All right, all right, but it's your birthday, man. It's a time to remember. It's a time to remember, y'all. Not like the higher order, you know. So all right. All right, so anyway, y'all, nothing else to talk about. Maybe something else to talk about. I'm losing my voice, you know. And there's Chingy's song over there. No copyright infringement, y'all. So that has a few more people coming who are gonna. Oh, and I thought Solomon was gonna show up. All right. So. See, do y'all think I should get in here and jump? Cause I haven't been in this since 1998 or something. Yeah, huh? Well, I can't get into my shoes, you know. Well, should I get in there?
Yes.
Should I get in this thing, y'all?
Yes.
It has to be unanimous. So
No.
well, listen. It's not unanimous, so I can't get in there. It's not unanimous. It's not unanimous. It has to be unanimous. Well, guess what? It's got to be unanimous. Everybody have to say yes for me to get in. So I can't. It's not unanimous. It has to be unanimous for me to get in. So it's not unanimous. So it's not unanimous, so I'm not getting in.
No!
I can't. It's not unanimous. You said no, so some people say yes, so it's not unanimous.
No, she said no.
Of course, it's not unanimous.
No.
Yeah.
No. 3 against 1.
It's still not unanimous.
Yeah, but more people said no.
Well, it's not unanimous. Everybody have to agree for it to be unanimous.
No.
Well, everybody say no. Well, guess what? It is unanimous. It's unanimous. Unanimously, no. So unanimously, no.
Well, it's no 3, yes 1.
Well,
Technically, no wins.
well, it's not unanimous. Well,
But still, more people say yes. It's 3 against 1.
well,
3 against
everybody have to say yes for it to be unanimous, but you unanimously no. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is not unanimous. Hey, Lil Lester, it ain't unanimous. Say 4. Say 4. I have to say it ain't unanimous, bro.
Get in.
Some say no, some say yes. 1, 2, 3. 3. It's not unanimous. It ain't unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not unanimous. So I can't get in because it's not unanimous. All right, so anyway, Steve Wilkos, if you're watching this, then it's my family. And would y'all like to say hi to somebody? Say hey to anybody. Would y'all like to say hey to Mr. Steve Wilkos?
No.
He's Mr. Steve Wilkos.
No.
Oh, he used to. Well, he a celebrity. He a talk show host.
I never seen him.
I know you didn't. So on life, you gotta say, "Hey, Mr. Steve,
Why?
please."
I don't know that guy.
Well, because you don't watch Steve all the time, and he used to be a police officer. You remember, Leah?
No.
I said, Steve, Mr. Steve, you used to be a police officer from Chicago. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So unanimously, I can't get in. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't get in because it wasn't unanimous. Some say no, some say yes. So, yeah, well, I would do a vote. Well, I'm just jumping in this thing, but so it's not unanimous. It has to be unanimous. All right, so I'm gonna stop this recording, okay?